Nah.
Are you live on Twitch?
Yeah. I'm live on both. Make sure it's working fine, then I'll link it. Okay. At stream ping.
Alright, let me get your chats working.
Oh,
I
yeah.
have so many freaking windows. Oh my god, I have so much open.
Oh my god.
I'm saying Windows, like I'm a Windows user. I
Bro.
don't use Windows. I have workspaces. What am I feeling like? Windows user?
Yeah. It's a little bit weird, bro. It's a little bit weird.
Weirdo.
Yeah.
Imagine using Windows.
Bro. Anyways.
Full offense to all you Windows users.
Yeah. Full offense. Here. Let me. Oh, wrong button. Okay. So I can just do documentation stuff in the morning, the fun stuff. Is that issue that I sent? Huh?
So we need to do the fun stuff on stream.
I know. The fun stuff
already
is
implemented. I think PR100. I think it was. They did that.
That was just the single documentation change.
Yeah, it was the contributing to IMD thing. Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Did you? Oh wait. I didn't see. Let me see. Okay, cool. Yeah, no, that's fine. Okay. Cool.
Did you watch that video on squashing?
I did not yet.
Oh my god. Can't rely on this guy for anything.
Look. Okay. It's
I'll
not my
watch
fault.
the video. He doesn't watch the video.
It's just. Look. I'm gonna send you the issue. There. There's the.
Okay, hold
the
on.
issue.
Let me open this. And then.
Come on. Open the issue. This is what? that voice. Come on, Seifu. Just open the issue, man. Come on.
Okay.
Hey, Fu, come on. Just open the issue. It's the same one I sent you this morning. Come on. I'm waiting. Come on.
13th reason.
I'm on my 76th.
Okay, dude. Bro's counting.
Come on. Is it open
Wow,
yet?
this is actually really useful. Look for Zed.
Come on. Is it open yet? It's not that hard to open the web
Hold
page,
on.
Shape. Come on.
Hold on,
I'm
let
sorry,
me check.
chat. It just takes a while sometimes. It's just
I already
open the
read
web
it
page.
earlier, but like.
I
Okay.
updated it. I also added a to-do list. I'm being very fancy.
Okay, then I'll get off here. Okay. So here.
Can you invite me on Zed?
Here. Yeah.
Yeah. I'll make a
Yeah,
branch.
fine.
I just need you to decide if I want this to be, or if we want this to be a fix or a refactor. 'Cause it's kind of a fix, but it's kind of a refactor.
Okay. You sent this in role. What is roleplay about? What is this roleplay? Channel, by the way.
Deafen button on Discord. What? Huh?
I said Yeah. What's this roleplay channel? By the way.
Hey,
Like,
hey,
what's
we're live, buddy. We're live.
Yeah, but what is it for? Like, what are you?
Oh, hi, A.
So.
So that just. Oh yeah, no, it is literally just A. Okay. No, there's nothing. We're live, buddy. So just not. Don't talk about that channel, okay?
What?
We're live. Don't talk
It's
about
not public? Oh, it's not public?
No.
Oh, wait, this sounds really bad then. Wait, no. Okay, he just has, like, code stuff in it. For like, links. For, like, oh, I didn't realize it wasn't public. I thought that was public.
No.
Oh, no.
Why would I do that?
You're smart.
Why would I put a roleplay channel in my Discord?
Well, you did.
No, but it's private. Anyways,
Okay, I have the issue open.
Okay. Add me on Zed, please.
Offline.
Oh my god, Zed! Come on! Sign it. Okay, there we go. That's gonna
There
make
you
me
are.
lose it. Accept.
There.
Okay. Alright.
Okay. Currently appears from big.
So Seifu is currently reading an essay right now, so I'm muting so I can talk, but not bother him. He's reading this, and it really is like half an essay.
Him given or established connection with that peer.
He wasn't very happy about this morning when I sent it to him. So
what do you mean by no handshaking in this issue? Because you say if a peer stream is given, we have already established a connection with that peer. No handshaking.
We have established a connection, but we have not handshake. So you
should probably specify that we haven't handshake. In reality, like they have handshaked us, but we haven't handshaked them.
Okay. Okay. Point taken.
Kind of confusing.
No, you're right. The peer.
So institutes that remote peer. Thus, not vice versa. Thus, wait, peer stream is given, and peer should wait to receive a handshake and then send a. Well, this functionality is already added. Right?
Yeah. No, but okay. No, but here's the thing. Look in here. Are you on? Can you switch to main? Actually, here I can do that. Can I? Yeah, I can do that. I think. Here. So here, look in.
I haven't pulled from main. Like probably months.
Oh.
There.
Okay. Here, hold on. Okay, so. Okay. Let me think where this is. So. Here.
1800 editions. Yeah, I haven't pulled from main in like so long.
Yeah. Here, go to. Okay, so go to. Engine modder s and torrent modder s.
I'm here. I can just follow you, I think.
Oh, right. Okay. So, hold on, let me look where I want to go. So okay, yeah. Okay, follow me.
I'm following you.
Okay. So, when we receive an incoming peer from either the TCP listener or the UTP socket, we receive the handshake from them. However, in the append peer function, which is what this will eventually get to, we also receive the handshake. So what I'm proposing here is basically just standardizing everything into append peer, so the entire handshaking process is handled there, because there's really only two ways that we can go about handshaking. Either the peer sends us a handshake, or we send them a handshake.
So you're saying don't serialize the handshake at all in Engine?
No.
Is that where you're... Okay, so what do you mean then?
So, okay, here, follow me again. Okay, so in an append peer, right now when a stream exists, we consider the handshake to already have been read. But the problem is that pushes off logic and stuff like that onto other.
Do you know why I did that?
Why? Why'd you do that?
Because how else are we gonna get the info as to identify which torrent instance it goes to?
This is quite perplexing. Okay, point taken. And hello, the 64th. Okay, so.
Hello.
Okay, we're gonna have to figure out some other way. Okay, in that case, because we do need to push this logic into one central function, because we can't keep like slapping this around.
Well, no, because the problem is we can't respond with a handshake from the engine itself.
This is a Tor client.
What is happening? Okay, we can't respond to the handshake in the engine itself because the engine doesn't have the information to respond with the handshake appropriately. So that we just can't do that. The torrent instance will have that information.
Okay.
So we can't really respond to the handshake in the engine. So that's why.
Yeah.
The handshake is handled in the engine because we need the it's received. All it's doing is receiving. It's not sending anything back to the peer.
No, no,
That's handled
I,
by the engine. I mean, that's handled by the Tor instance.
yeah,
But
no,
this
I
receives a
know.
handshake because we need the handshake to get the info hash, and the info hash identifies what Tor instance we need to use,
Yeah.
basically.
Okay, that is, yeah, you're right. Okay,
Yes,
because
this is the torrent client.
yeah,
Not sure. Yes.
and yeah, I muted and answered that.
Mm.
No, you're good. You're good. Okay, so how do I want to do this then? Because I like we do need to push that logic into.
Well, I don't really see the reason to move the logic. The only real refactor that we would need to do is what I commented on line 99 of Model S. I
Okay.
think that's the only real thing that we can do because of the fact that the engine needs to identify where the peer goes.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's you just have to parse the handshake in the engine. You just have to.
Yeah. Yeah. There's the okay.
Yeah.
I do see what you're saying. Is there? Hold on. Well. Okay. How about this? Because I do. Yeah. Just because I do want to push. I really just don't like the idea of having to handshake. Or having to read the handshake manually everywhere. What if we have a function that takes the dash map because it's an arc, so that would be the very easy to clone. A function that takes the dash map here. Let me here. I'll just put this up here. So, Russ. Actually, no, I'll just specify that. Boop, boop, and then okay. So if we have a function that takes the torrent dash map, which would be an arc dash map, something in there, and then let me think. Do you see where I'm going with this? I'm trying to think.
Not really.
Okay, so what I'm saying is, hold on. Let me think, like exactly what I would need. Okay, just for sake of example, it'd be this, and then we would basically do what we're doing in the Tokio spawn in a pen pier.
Mm-hmm.
So,
well, I had originally what happened was I had a function.
Mm-hmm.
If you check the diffs from a while ago, I had a different function where a pen peer was actually two functions, one for handling a handshake if we didn't have a stream, and one it was the original pen peer function. I had a separate handshake function inside the torrent impl.
Yeah.
And the reason why I removed it and combined it into one function was because of some strange lifetime issue that I was getting into with having mute self going around, and Justice didn't like it, and it just fixed itself when I combined it into one function. So I just went with that. But it was originally two functions.
Okay.
But because of lifetimes, you just have to do that. I think I can find the original code if you want me to find it.
I mean, you
it
can't
shouldn't
if you
be
want.
too far.
Yeah.
Back, I think. Because it was around the time when I merged the dash map, because that's the reason why I had to merge dash map.
Yeah.
I mean, that's why I had to add dash map. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, factories that torrent vector.
Okay, so. Okay, so if we wanted to try and do that again, what would we need to do differently? And
well, it wasn't really that different. It was just the fact that I had here. I found the commit.
Okay. That was fast.
So here I had a function called handshake peer, and it literally just did this.
Wait, where are you? Oh, there you are. Okay. Oh my god. You could just send it to me on Discord.
Okay. I don't know why this big line gaps. I'm just gonna delete those.
Yeah. Put the Discord on the screen. It's probably GitHub and something with their formatting. Okay, so
That's what I had originally.
so handshake peer. Okay, yeah. But is there any reason why we couldn't just take hold on. I'm gonna copy this and send it in Discord too. Is there any reason why we couldn't just take this and put it in a function? And just with a match for the
Well, the reason why we can't is because we would need mutable reference to the peer, and that would store in 2 places, I think.
wait, hold on. Where we would need that for the peer stream, yeah, but where else would we need to access the peer?
To maintain ownership of peer to insert it into the hash map or the dash map.
Is there any reason why we can't just clone it?
I mean, we can, but it's not in an arc, so it would create like a full clone. So that means that any information that we add to the peer won't be in the hash map.
Oh, I see. Okay, I see what you're saying. Okay, let me think about that. Oh, and hey, coding with Atlas. It is going good, but you should go to bed. I also need to get to bed at a reasonable time tonight. Okay, so yeah, I haven't been doing that at all. Okay,
You should do that more often.
I know. I would very much like to. So okay, because here's the thing. We have. I feel like forcing every call or every incoming peer every incoming peer message to receive the handshake first is kind of not great, but at this
what do you mean forcing every
because that's logic that should be able to be abstracted into some other function so we don't have to constantly repeat it. But I don't know how.
We're not really repeating anything per se. There's receiving and sending a handshake are 2 completely different things.
Mm-hmm.
So we're duplicating any logic because the only other place where we receive a handshake is where we're connecting to a peer. Like we're the ones initiating the connection, and that logic, I'm pretty sure is done directly. I'm pretty sure it's done in the message in torrent. Let me find it.
Yeah.
It is. Now it's. Oh yeah, no, it's handling the same function.
What is?
So this is. Huh? Wait. Okay, right here.
Yeah.
This is us sending a handshake first, actually.
Yeah, no, and that is wrong too. And that's...
Oh wait, no, wait. I'm stupid. Never mind. This is us not saying it. This is us responding to their handshake.
Oh right.
And this is us responding to their handshake because we already have a stream. This is us, connecting to them, and then us saying the handshake, and then going from there.
Yeah. Wait. Okay. Wait. Hold on. Okay. Hear me out. Is there a way? Okay. Instead of doing dot receive, is there a way that we can basically like peek the stream, and just get the handshake without actually taking it out of the stream?
I don't really think so. And if we did, that would be why would we duplicate the handshake?
Because then we can determine what torrent to send it to, and then still handle all of the logic in append peer. The handshake.
But why would that be better than just parsing it in the engine and just not responding and then sending it off to the append peer? Like,
I know.
Why would we duplicate the whole handshake itself just to?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not that much memory. I think it's 68 bytes.
No, but it's the principle of it.
Yeah.
Let me.
What's like the gain?
Hold on.
There isn't really much gain to it.
Let me check out main. Pull You have him. Hold on, let me look for torrent message and see where it's used. Or sorry, incoming peer, because that's, I guess maybe I just don't know where it's used, and then, or incoming. I guess. I mean yeah, I guess so. I mean, yeah. So we still need to refactor receive handshake and send handshakes so they actually do what they say.
Yeah, they
But
don't do what they say at all.
yeah. But no, I guess so. I guess, yeah, that's not really worth doing. But that should be very clearly documented. Just how that
I'm
works.
pretty sure it was,
stuff.
no?
It's
Like it pretty explicitly say on the message for sending peers that this peer has not been handshaked yet. Like we have not responded to the handshake yet.
Yeah, but not handshake yet doesn't. It doesn't really imply that we either have or hasn't. Here, let me see.
Here. Yeah. Torrent message. Okay, so it says here, incoming peer sent after an incoming peer initialized a handshake. The handshake will be pre-verified and routed to this torrent instance. We as the instance are expected to reply to said handshake. This is not the responsibility of the engine.
Okay.
So
okay, point taken. Okay,
I don't think you can get more explicit than that.
No, you're right. Okay.
I told you this morning. I remember explicitly documenting this.
I know. Okay. Okay, so this entire PR is kind of not necessary then. What is still necessary is this send handshake and receive handshake.
Yeah.
Here, so let me delete this issue. I'm gonna create a new issue just for this send. I guess. Okay, yeah.
Unless you want to get that extra commit on her.
No. I'll live. I'll live. I promise. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this issue describes a refactor of the send handshake and receive handshake function. Handshake function. This issue, okay, and then this. We see that is not, because there's already that. We just don't use it because it like barely works. Okay, so
yep.
Yeah. This issue describes a refactor of the send handshake and receive handshake function. Currently these functions.
Better at writing issues, guys. Let's go.
What?
So you're getting better at writing issues. I'm proud of you.
I'm like I've always been like cracked on my mind at this. Absolutely.
No, I don't know about that one. I find quite a few issues of use or one sentence, but you know it's fine.
Yeah. You do that too. Just to be fair, to be fair.
What?
Look. I don't want to be that guy. Don't be that guy.
What?
I don't want to be that guy. I just.
Bro's like, if the ship is sinking, you're coming down with me.
Yeah. Well, it just I've seen those 1 a.m. commits, like,
Okay, commits and issues are two different things.
No, I'm joking. Your issues are generally better than mine. Okay, currently these functions do not do what they imply. For instance, send handshake and handshake both sends and receives I before we accept after C or in sounding an A as a neighboring way.
Memorize how to spell receive.
Send handshake both sends or receives a handshake to a remote peer. Additionally, we need to ensure that the correct fields are being updated on the peer struct when handshakes are received. Finally, any actor messages
Also,
to...
in this, also, we need to implement a kill method for pure stream, by the way.
Do we? Why? And where? Because
Yeah.
I saw I saw the drop stream. Does that not kill stream? Or
I don't know, to be completely frank. I don't know. It should, but I don't know.
I mean, it should. Hold on. Let me. Because a stream is the pure stream, which is either a TCP listener or a UTP socket, right? Or sorry,
No, it's a TCP stream or
yeah.
UTP stream. It's not the sockets.
No,
It's just
yeah,
a stream.
yeah, you're right. Hold on, let me. I can just look at the impl for both. I think now.
I think there's like a impl drop or something, where you can like run
Yeah.
code before you get dropped or something.
Oh, here's straight drop? No.
Really?
No. Because it. Hold on. No, because you're right. That should be a thing. I just don't know where it is.
Yeah, there's a standard drop trait. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's mute cell.
I just can't. On trait method. Stand future async drop. No, I just want to like. Hold on. Oh, why am I searching? Because I'm searching through STD. Okay. Hold on, let me look and see, cause let me Google it. Does TCP stream stop when dropped rest? Oh, maybe. Yes. Okay, for TCP stream, the connection will be closed when the value is dropped.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Let me look for UTP stream librqubit.
I don't think they would explicitly state that, but
Yeah.
hopefully they do.
No, they don't. I can look at docs.rs crate page. No, wrong thing. Source? No, I just went. Come on. Repository. There we go. Oh my gosh. Here, I just go to source and look at. There's gotta be an impl drop in here, right? There has to be. Well, there is. Okay, there is for the UTP stream right half. Let me look for the UTP stream itself.
Well, if something doesn't have a default implementation of drop, it will just pass down to its values. So each value will have its own drop function, and I think since it's using UDP under the hood anyway, if the whole struct is dropped, then the UDP stream should drop too, I think.
Okay, yeah,
And it should have, but the problem is UTP needs cleanup after it's like it needs cleanup once it's dropped, basically.
What cleanup does it need? Because it's going over
Yeah, but it's
UDP,
remember, UTP is a connection protocol. It's like emulating TCP kind of.
Yeah.
So we can have consistent messages that, like, you know, UDP is essentially just like emulating TCP. It's trying to be TCP, but like lighter.
Yeah.
So, I think there is like a cleanup process.
Okay.
Or like you have to send like a kill message or something. And I believe, hopefully he does that. If not, it's probably not the worst thing in the world, but hopefully he does that. If not, we're gonna need like an explicit close function.
Yeah, here I'm looking at the source right now. Okay, for UTP stream read half here. Actually, look for. Hold on. Let's go back to searching for impl drop. That seemed like much. Okay. For UTP stream right half. Also let me duplicate tab. Just search for UTP stream. Okay, so there's drop for the right half, but it does not look like there's drop for anything else. But it could be derived, to be fair, maybe. So drop. Let me see if I can find like.
I don't think it'll be derived. Doesn't really make much sense because it has custom functionality.
Oh, that's fair. Here, okay, yeah, so there's drop for both the right half and the read half, and then, no, that's, that's fine. Yeah, that works just fine. Cause yeah, yeah. That comm is unneeded. Then.
Okay.
Yeah, that works fine. Okay, let me go back to writing this issue.
Okay. Yep.
Additionally, we need to share the quick fields right. And I think we only use, hold on, let me double check this. I think we only use like receive handshake like like once. And I think it is, no, we never use receive handshake outside of a test.
Really?
No, like literally.
Well,
as far
the
as I'm
reason
aware.
why is probably because we coded it horribly. So
Yeah, exactly.
probably should fix that.
Yeah. But let me look. So it should be send handshake. We are making a torrenting library, and this is Zed, not VS Code. And this is
Not Electron based. It's written in Rust.
He's very
By the way.
pro Rust, you could say. He's we're
Not Electron. Not an Electron app.
Yeah, we're using it because it's written in Rust, because he forces me to do everything in Rust.
Okay. No, we're using it actually for like the collaboration feature.
No, that is true. Yeah, and then send handshake is only used in the append peer function, and no, yeah, send handshake is literally only used in the append peer function. So that makes our lives easy because we don't have to go back and like redo a bunch of stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, wait, where else is that?
So we should be able to...
Am I going crazy? Oh, okay. I am going crazy, but and then talking about getting Rust. I think that Google is probably listening to you.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Okay, so need to check that the correct fields are being updated on the peer struct when handshakes are received, and finally we need to update the uses of send handshake and receive handshake. Send handshake is used once in the entire repository. Is only used the torrent append peer function, and receive handshake. I've forgotten the underscore there.
I'm currently looking to ways we can write a wiki for tortillas later on.
Yeah, that would be
with the nice website. We also need a logo at some point.
I mean, I should not be in charge of that. I'm not exactly the definition.
Definitely not. Oh no, definitely not. Definitely not. Definitely not.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so this will. Okay, so we'll save that, and then this will be a refactor medium priority, because it means important, but it's like it doesn't matter that much. Is there no refactor option? What? It's a good game. Oh, we're talking about the Rust programming language, not Rust the game.
Yeah.
But
this is a programming stream. I've never tried Rust.
Yeah, I would get Rust, but I would no life it and completely ditch everything for like 3 months to absolutely no life Rust, and that would not be healthy.
Like you did for the programming language?
I'm not no lifing Rust the programming language.
You did kind of at one point. You did kind of.
Not that, like, okay, dude. You didn't know
8 hours a day?
You didn't know me in my Hypixel Skyblock era, dude. You didn't know me.
I kind of did towards the end.
No. That was like my second phase where I was like much less locked in, dude. I used to pull like 12-hour days on Hypixel Skyblock. I mean, I would quit. Yeah. medium. Okay, hold on. Is there actually no refactor option in the in GitHub labels? I swear there is. I'm just like
Uh,
blind.
I don't think I ever made one. I can make one though.
No, it's fine. You don't have to. I just. Oh, okay. I guess there's not. Never mind. I take it back. Okay, let me edit this. So, I guess I'm actually, this is pretty, yeah, like, this is pretty cut and dry at this point. Um, so only receive a handshake, enter any relevant fields, blah, blah, blah. Change name of receive handshake to receive handshake. Yep. And then,
Yep.
okay, so change name of receive handshake to receive handshake, and then, update, all uses of send a handshake and receive.
Well, we shouldn't remove all the uses. We should just change the functions to do what they say.
No, I said update all uses.
Oh yeah. Okay. No, we're not making a game. We're making a BitTorrent client.
You should probably explain what a BitTorrent client is.
He has a video on it.
Bro,
shameless plug.
You can't just shameless plug everything I do. Okay.
What? He has the video on it. It's a good watch.
Okay. BitTorrent is a decentralized protocol for downloading files from downloading a single file from multiple people at once. That's the TLDR.
Single file question mark?
Okay, well, that's a very summarized version. You can download multiple files, but it's easier to think of it as downloading pieces
so
of a file.
Download a folder. You just download a folder for multiple people at once.
Yes. All uses of send handshake and receive handshake. See above. See initial issue posting. Initial issue. See initial issue. Okay. Let me just edit the title because this is no longer correct. Quit within the first. Nah, you'll be fine. I mean, it is Rust the language.
Programming language.
Yes, Rust the language. It has a very steep learning curve.
Yeah.
But it gets fun, and especially if you have experience with other languages. Then yeah,
definitely.
Yeah. Don't start with Rust as your first language. That would be hell. But okay. So refactor, send handshake and receive handshake. Can I do the thing, the title for code blocks? Oh, I can. Let me see. Oh, I can. I did not know that. Oh, well, now I know. Okay. Okay. So we can remove that comment at some point.
Yeah.
Python, a little bit of Java, and a little bit of Lua. Oh, well, yeah. That sounds like a pretty solid foundation then.
Definitely.
Yeah. Rust is just a unique paradigm.
Very unique, and it's a lot of new things to learn.
Yeah.
A lot.
Yeah. I mean, really, there's not. No, it really is like a completely unique paradigm. Except when you get to lower level memory management. In that case, it takes a lot from C++, but it's still a different world, in my opinion. But it's fun.
Yeah.
Again, just really steep learning curve. Okay. Okay. I redid the issue. Let me make a branch for it.
I'll switch to the branch.
Yeah. Here. Refactor. I'm just going to send and receive. I before E, except after C. Don't judge me. It's late. I can't spell when it's
Say
late.
that like 20 times a day.
Dude, some days, man, some days. Okay, there you go. It's created. Refactor.
Fun fact, we're the only live stream with the keyword Rust programming in it.
Really?
Open right now.
That's funny. Ironic. Ironic,
Yeah.
but you know. Okay. Yeah, if you want to go ahead and switch that branch. And how long have we been streaming for? And 40 minutes in, we will finally touch a code editor. Yeah, talk about clickbait.
Programming.
What?
Said hypothetical programming.
Yeah. No, it is, especially on stuff like this. Like it is. It's kind of surprising, like how much time you have to spend doing like all the prep work for stuff like that.
Yeah.
And plus, like,
what's the name of the branch?
refactor, send, and receive handshake. No abbreviations. Standard formatting.
Good.
There we go. Thanks. Okay. Okay. Let's go. All right.
Yeah.
So here, I did also make a to-do list like we did with the other issues. So we should like really just be able to just work off of that. Okay. So. Send handshake is first. So look at the definition. I think that, where's it defined? I don't even know.
Stream.rs.
Beautiful. Thank you. Okay. So send handshake. I mean, okay. So is there any reason why we can't just like delete everything below this? Because we don't need to really return anything anymore, do we?
Nope. Well, I mean, yeah, we can just delete all this.
Yeah. Okay. Here. Yeah, because I was gonna say. And then this is the size for. Yeah.
So you can just delete this.
Yeah. And then, well, I mean, actually, oh yeah, because there is the potential for an error. So there. Okay. Don't need the remote at. What was that for then? I don't know. You just delete it, I guess.
I think it was originally. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah,
there we go.
We'll just act like that didn't happen. Okay. So I guess let's update. I don't feel the need to just commit this. I think let's go and update all.
I think we don't need an arc here anymore either. You can just take a reference.
Oh, nice. Okay. I was gonna say, let's just go and update all of the.
Oh, no, mind. No, we need arc.
Okay.
Wait, can we clone infra ashes without the arc?
This stuff. How long have you been tell me if I get this wrong. We've both been coding since we were 12. Is that right?
Yeah,
For you?
like 11 or 12, yeah.
11 or 12. Did you also start with Python?
Yes, Python was my first programming language. Yes.
Okay, I was gonna say I feel like everyone started with Python. I did some stuff with Scratch, but like.
Yeah, so did I when I was a kid. Yeah.
Yeah, I still haven't found my old my old Scratch profile. I've like looked for it for like forever. I wonder if they just like wiped it.
I think I could find mine because I remember I think I had to do something with Scratch for my sophomore year actually.
Damn.
My sophomore year actually, yeah.
You're 13. A perfect time to start. Hop into Rust right now.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yep. Perfect time.
No, I mean no, but like in all seriousness, if you know Python, a tiny bit of Java, and a tiny bit of Lua, you're way ahead of us when we were your age, and you're way ahead of most people too.
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah. Okay. So this is just this, and then right. So, okay, this might. Just in terms of committing stuff, this might be a little bit tricky to do because
if we're
gonna need the receive handshake function too. So
well, we could just do it as one commit, I guess. Cause hold on, let me check where the errors are.
Here, like look in torrent mod.rs. Yeah, you kind of see what I'm getting at. No, actually, what would probably be better is just to just chunk it, just so it's not one big fat commit, because I have really been enjoying like actually breaking stuff up into commits, so I can actually go back and like see what I did. So
Yeah, fair enough.
So how about this? We do send handshake and receive handshake, and then we just chunk it.
10 peer. Hold on. Okay.
I'm gonna take your silence as a yes.
No, hold on.
Okay.
Reading. Okay. So the handshake, return anything. Not really.
I guess this can really just be like.
No. Yeah, we should just change that to her. This is what we should do.
You got this. Because then there should just be let handshake equals stream.receive handshake. No. Tossed a rock. When tossed a rock in your window. That's interesting. Keep your window closed, I guess.
Interesting.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Hold on, let me cook.
He's not. I don't believe that you're. What? Why are you matching stream.send handshake? Oh. Okay. Okay. You know what? I'll take that. Okay. Yeah, and then you do. Oh, okay. I see where you're going here. 'Cause then. Yeah. Okay.
I mean, it access the actual error.
Oh yeah. It's closed. Story of my life. Although I've never had rock at my window.
Fortunate. Well, fortunate for you.
I live in very
then we
rural
do.
area.
Let's.
Here, I
then no.
You're doing. Okay.
Just let me cook. Just let me cook.
Okay.
Here, ID reserved equals unimplemented.
Oh, see, this is smart.
Wait, this errors though.
Type annotations. It's just type annotations.
Oh, okay. Oh, we can just do let your ID. You can just do it manually. Equals.
Oh, I what you're doing. That's a pretty nice little macro, pretty helpful macro. Okay, so. Okay.
Still have an error.
I think it's probably in the test. I think. This file's big. Yeah. It's just in the test. So, this should no longer be like a. Yeah, this should just be stream.send handshake, and then I think just unwrap. Really, right? Am I missing something? What? Huh? Oh. It's you. It's always you.
What did I do? Okay, there we go.
Okay, yeah,
that should be good.
Yeah, I feel comfortable. Wait, hold on. Let's run tests real quick and just make sure.
Well, this won't work.
No. Oh, right, that won't work. Okay, yep, you're right. Okay, I guess we can just commit that then.
Yeah.
Let's just make sure we actually commit receive handshake as well.
Yep. We can just do that before we push, because then we can.
Yeah.
We do both of them in separate commits, but we can before we push, we can test it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Here. I'll go ahead and add if you're ready to go.
Yep.
Okay.
Commit message.
Yeah, sure. Refactor. Corrected. Send handshake. Changed send handshake to do what it implies. That I'm gonna have to reword that. That's kind of nasty. Also updated. Any calls to send handshake to accommodate the changes. Okay, so changed send handshake to not do what it implies here. Can you look at this? I just don't know how to phrase this.
Makes sense. Remove. So there's a word for this. I know. There's
I
a
know.
word.
I know. I know.
I forgot the word is.
Removed. Why is this like the hardest part of programming? Is actually coming up with a solid commit message that doesn't sound like you were on something when you wrote it.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. There are 10 errors now? What? What'd you do?
Yeah, it's because I'm writing something.
Oh boy. Okay.
It's fine. It's fine. It won't be in the commit because. Yeah, it's fine.
Definitely believable. Okay, remove.
I'm thinking.
You're going straight. You're not thinking.
Contradiction. No, contradiction.
Okay.
Contradicting.
You went straight to ChatGPT.
No, I didn't.
Contradictory code. just straight to ChatGPT.
How? What do you mean? No, I did not.
I saw the little thing that pops up in Zed that said, Seifu is viewing a window outside of Zed.
I was not in ChatGPT. I was looking at your chat.
You were. I'm sorry. You were using T3, not ChatGPT.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Contradictory
Nice,
logic. Yes, I think. Hopefully. You know what? Let's say yes. Are we good to commit? Yes. Yeah. I see you going back. I see you going back outside of Zed.
I was pasting it in Google.
Oh my god.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Can you change whatever you broke?
No. Just leave it. It'll be fine.
Okay. If we committed broken changes.
No, it'll leave the diff. See, look, there's still a diff there.
No, I know. We didn't add it to staging, but okay. Receive handshake.
This function is really old because it doesn't have the new
Oh my god.
It doesn't have the new receive method that we had. So we were reading the bytes manually.
Oh, wonderful.
The chorus into handshake and check if it's like an actual handshake, which is wrong. We should not be doing like most of this.
Yeah.
This code can be simplified now. You literally just
Oh right. Yeah. No. It's yeah. It is literally just that. ChatGPT. Yeah. Scripting. Yeah.
Oh wait,
Tell me about it.
Self.
We normally don't use ChatGPT for most stuff. We just use it for like big refactors. Or not even big refactors, just monotonous refactors.
Wait.
Oh,
okay.
There's that.
And then we can
fail user. Okay.
Oh no, don't really do now that. We just do match statement.
Yeah.
And
you should do let.
Well, Matt.
Yeah, for
now.
3K lines. There you go. Yeah. Tell me about it. Yeah, so I guess I should clarify not big refactors, but just monotonous refactors. Okay, what are you doing?
That should be pure ID.
This should be pure message.
Yeah. 8 bytes, pretty sure.
For the peer ID?
No, for the reserve.
Yes. Yeah, like unfailable stuff. But like even that, I found like most things that ChatGPT, that I use some large language model for a most things that I use ChatGPT for, I can do with a Vim macro if I actually like use my brain. Honest to God.
Yeah, but it just appears on my screen. I just press Alt L and I get like a bunch of codes I can easily change.
It didn't even work that time.
Fixed.
Okay.
I'm trying to see if I already have an error for this. If not, then I'll make one.
Okay.
Actually, do we need an error for this?
For
Handshake, I guess we could just put handshake failed and then just be
I
like,
was gonna say factory reset.
cute,
Oh boy.
non
Good luck.
handshake
Good lucking.
message.
Peer message. No, wait, not peer messages. Handshake dot peer ID, and then handshake dot reserved. Yeah. It is 8 bytes. Okay. That shouldn't be info hash anymore. That should be. Well, I guess. Wait. Is that how that works? Except if I do like let info hash equals handshake dot. Oh right. Okay. So that's. How about we just. You know what? Save it.
Also, these instruments are. I mean, this instrument's horrible. This is what we should be doing. This you don't need this anymore. We can literally just do like.
I mean, you just
I think we don't need any of this now.
Yeah. Use the password save.
Because we have
nice.
self. I mean, if we really want to, we really want to put some extra stuff here. We can do skip self fields self.
Okay. Wait.
Basically, this forces it to use display self.
Oh.
Debug.
Okay. Cool.
And this in debug, display
like
self will just have
password
the
save.
protocol and
Nice.
the port listed. I mean, the protocol and the socket adder listed.
Yeah.
So we'll be
Okay.
fine.
Yeah. Okay. So let's just go up. Wait. I think it's just the test actually that we use receive handshake. Yep. It literally is. The 2 arguments were supplied.
Yep.
So.
Okay. I think that should be good.
I just need to client ID blank.
You're still muted, Oscar, by the way.
Sorry, my bad. I mute to like respond to people in chat while you're talking.
No, it's fine. I know, it's fine.
Art hobbies. Oh yeah, totally. Here, let me.
We no longer have a use for is handshake.
I'm gonna do it as a forum. I made this. Drag. Why won't you? Discord, just let me. Come on, man. Okay. Great post guidelines. Be a half decent human. Post about something you made. No slop. No AI slop. Okay, it is up. I think that should be, there we go. That should be fine. Okay.
What?
No, that's.
No, this is wrong. What you did was wrong. You changed. Expected tuple peer ID. Oh, client ID. This should just be. Oh yeah, you did this completely wrong. Okay.
What? Is client ID?
Incoming.
Oh.
ID.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. My bad, man. My bad. Okay. So here you go update this stuff in here. So this could just be let peer ID reserved equals praying is not working, stream dot receive handshake dot await dot wrap. I think probably you expect to, maybe, I don't know, man. ID is unused. There's nothing else we get in the peer that we would need to oh no, I don't open that multiple tabs. There's nothing else that we get in the initial handshake that we would need to update other than the reserved reserved bytes, right?
why would we be the one to update? What do you mean?
I mean,
I mean, like when we're creating a handshake?
no, I mean, I'm talking about actually getting the reserve bytes from the remote peer.
Then we need to edit them per se, but
No,
we
I'm
can
not.
send them over.
I'm not saying edit that. I'm just asking if there's anything else that um, we would need to update. But yeah, there's no other state in the handshake that we need to do. So,
Yeah, definitely.
yes.
I did find some stupid code that we wrote.
Oh boy.
And I have like the urge to move it.
Let's see. Where are you?
Line 172.
I'm there.
Messages RS.
Let me look. Hold on. That's a cool place for your community share project. Yeah, no, thank you. I always want to add like more fun stuff. So, if anyone ever has any ideas or anything they want to do.
So the reason why this is stupid is because we have a
so
is handshake function.
Yeah, thanks.
We're just not using it.
Well, we have a check. I wouldn't say. I wouldn't say that this is like wildly out of scope of this PR.
Yeah.
I mean, just make it an entirely separate commit. Just do like a one-line change.
Yeah, definitely.
That's fine though.
And I would move the function to this file because, and we can just say the reason why we're doing this is because that function wouldn't be used, and that would cause a Clippy error in places that we need that function.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That should be. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. PRD. Do we not do anything with? Wait. Do we never update the peer ID or? Hold on.
Isn't handled by this. What do you mean? What are you changing?
No, in torrent mod rs. Do we never update the peer ID on the peer itself? Hold on, peer.id equals some peer ID. I guess we don't. Whatever.
Oh, we don't. Oh, okay. We have probably do that.
Yeah. Or no. I don't know if we did. I don't know. We are now. Whatever. Okay, and then we also gotta change this to use send handshake. Actually, wait. Do you want to run here? Do you want to run?
No. This is a different commit, by the way.
Yeah. No, you're right. You're right. Here. Yeah.
Oh, wait, no. No, actually, no. It has to be in this commit because this causes errors now.
There are no errors right now. I mean.
Well, yeah, because you changed stuff.
Yeah. I just added the receive handshake.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, you're right then.
No, you're good. Yeah, if you just run tests real quick, and then we can commit this. Then we can add send handshake and receive handshake anywhere else we need to, and then go from there. Let me bounce you for a second. Okay, so
we have a failed test. Let's see.
Oh, okay.
Why did this fail? Protocol Shimara S381 result in failed to read message payload.
Where is that? Where's the error?
Line 381 of Shimara that's breaking. All these peers are refusing to connect. We're getting an early terminate. We're getting an early terminate.
Here, can you send me the entire error? Because everything in this test should be done on local.
Well, hold on. It's anything involved. It's not just this test, because also the test torrent actor is getting stalled and it's just not working. Wait. None of the peers are connecting to us now.
Yeah, but we can start diagnosing it from here now.
Yeah, but this is the error.
Yes.
Okay. Never mind. I cannot copy it because I have to press Control Shift C. Copy.
It's so real. I'm guessing we just like messed up some logic somewhere, or like deleted something we weren't supposed to. I don't know.
I think it has something to do with us think that's something to do with receive being weird with handshakes, because we never really used receive for handshakes before.
Oh.
So
Is that not? Okay.
Here, I'm gonna put this in.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the error. So
Okay.
the reason I think I know why it errored.
To
be frank.
Okay. Zoom in.
Yeah, I think I know why.
I see.
So you remember that error we got when we were using, when we were receiving, remember that weird thing we had to do where we had to have a vec buffer bytes?
Yeah.
And we had to write to that buffer.
Yeah.
I think it has something to do with that. I think we have to do that again.
Why? My God.
Because okay, so the reason why that number was a problem before is because with normal messages that we receive, we know the length. So we just only read like a certain amount of bytes. So I believe in the original Pure Wire protocol, we would read 5 bytes at a time. So we'd read 5 bytes that contains the message tag and the length. We parse that and then request based on the length, request those next bytes. So that means that we would always know the whole response basically. Always.
Okay.
That means we always know exactly how much we're supposed to read from the stream. With a handshake, we don't know that.
Okay.
You don't know if it's a handshake or not. So the reason why this is breaking is because
I see. Okay. Yep.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
We don't know. So we're getting a terminate error with anything that's trying to use that with receive.
Well, can we just update the receive function itself to handle handshakes, or did that not work last time we tried it? Because I feel like it didn't work, and it was a pain to do.
Whoa. That's
Here, let me look up a fancy little diagram.
Well, okay, so we can definitely do that, but it would increase the complexity a lot. It'll increase the complexity a lot more and make this PR a bit larger than it has to be. I think we use the raw receive bytes, send bytes inside the send handshake function, and don't use receive.
Okay.
Just stream the bytes straight to a handshake and just call it a day.
I'm fine with that.
And just add documentation that if this fails, just add documentation that this is expected to be, like this message should only be ran if the peer has not handshaked yet, and that this will error if the peer doesn't send a handshake, which it would anyway.
That.
Oh yeah, it's fine then. It's fine.
Wait. Oh, okay. No. That seems.
It should error.
No.
So basically, we're parsing the bytes directly instead of going through the receive function.
No, I see your point, but I feel like. Hold on, let me think about that for a second, because I feel like we're kind of. That will cause an error in the correct spot, but I feel like at the same time that we should be able to at least get the peer message and then realize that it's not a handshake. I feel like implementing
would that be relevant though? Because even in our original implementation that we have right now, we still don't get the peer message. There's no way to get the peer message, I don't think, with the match statement that we have right now.
Wait, where? Hold on.
Oh no.
Follow you.
Hold on, I don't even know where it is. It's in the stream somewhere.
Oh.
Stream.rs. Yeah, here. I mean, actually no, we can put it. Yeah, we can put it in a format and be like.
No, okay. I think that's fine then. Yeah, just definitely like heavily document that. Like, yeah. Make it very clear. But yeah, I think that's fine. Okay, so
it will make the code a little bit more verbose, but it should be fine.
No, that's all right.
We shouldn't need a. Oh no, actually no.
Oh right. Yeah.
We can do some hacky stuff like magic numbers.
Oh right.
Size of handshake.
Oh, see, that's why I have you here. You're smart. We're not adding a crate for that. We're not.
It's not crate. It's not crate. It's literally an STD.
We're not. No, absolutely not.
It's not a crate. It's not a crate.
We're not.
It's standard.
We're not adding it. Okay, good. Okay. Is it just 0? Okay, I was gonna say. Okay, so 0 U8 and then
It's at 72. Wait, why is it size 72?
Uh-oh. um, jump to definition. What?
Okay, we have bytes.
Is there overhead for bytes?
Reserved is 8. Well, what's the size of like a peer ID? Is that it? It should only be 20, no? Oh, it's 20. Why is it 21 bytes? Why is a peer ID 21 bytes?
What? That
What?
I don't.
Okay, okay. Let's just hard code it. Magic number.
Naturally.
That's really odd. Why is it? Whatever. Just plus 4 bytes randomly. It's probably because of the arcs that we create.
Maybe, I guess. No. It's a fun comment, man. It's a fun comment. Okay. Okay. So
handshakes
string
will always be 68 bytes.
So, self dot receive, not receive.
Wouldn't be received.
No, I know. What is it?
Read.
Oh, read.
Read, but
read.
Hold on. Let me
buff into buff.
Read.
Wait. Dot map error.
It would be read underscore exact.
Right. Hold on. Error. Why am I looking? Come on. I'm not importing this manually if I haven't. I think I have imported that. Okay. Anyways. So error equals %e.
You can probably just pass that. You can probably just question mark that and pass it through peer actor error. It should just work.
You're right. Yeah, my bad. No, this should be fine, right?
Mute,
definitely. Okay. And then we should do let handshake equals handshake from bytes buff dot expect failed to unwrap handshake. That should not be in a wait now. Why is that, Matt? Oh, what's a reference? Yeah.
Okay, and now we just have the handshake, and then all we have to do is just
handshake.id and handshake.reserved.
I'll just do like dot.
Yeah, should be. There you go. Oh, okay. I see what you're doing. That's that's really nice. Sweet.
Wait, so this wasn't even that much long. This is, if anything, this was shorter than our original implementation.
I know. I was gonna say. Handshakes will always be 68 bytes. What was it? Mem size of handshake is 72 bytes for some reason. We think it might be due to the arcs in the handshake. Handshake
will fail if the next message is not a handshake. Well, this is pretty self-explanatory.
No. Yeah. Keep it.
Will fail if the next.
Oh right, yeah. We also had to update this. Handshakes with a peer returns nothing if the handshake is sent. Sends a handshake, not so.
What's the passing?
Oh, nice. Okay, sends a handshake to a peer, returns nothing if the handshake is sent without error. Returns There. I feel like the other scenario is implied. Okay.
Actually, no. 2 of them are still running.
They're
Torrent actor, why is that still running? Oh no,
is it?
torrent actor is always slow.
Yeah, no,
Oh wait, shouldn't it?
it's
It shouldn't
flaky.
be.
No, it's flaky. We have like a bunch
Torrent
of
actor is
flaky tests.
flaky?
I'm very
Seriously?
sure it is. Yeah. I know.
I thought I fixed that. I thought I made it like not flaky anymore. Oh no, it just timed out. Test
Oh.
torrent actor, why is it? Oh, we're getting the same error.
Oh man. We're gonna actually debug this. Okay. My microphone is
Yeah, we're just not
a
waiting for peers.
Q91. I think.
Successfully parsed handshake.
Here, let me.
Okay, so we're parsing the handshake correctly.
Here, so reply. Can I reply? Q9. I'm very sure it is. Let me see. Q91.
Okay. So I see creating a new handshake with web
Yes, yeah,
support.
it is. It's Q91.
Send handshake. Protocol UTP. So we're waiting for more peers.
Here, can you send me the oh wait, no, same error, right? Same place.
We're not getting an unwrap error here.
Can you send me the entire error again?
No, wait. So, wait, no, it's saying successfully parsed handshake.
Huh? It must
Hold
be.
on, our log code. Hold on, I need to go to torrent. I need to go this and fix something.
I
So
neither
logging
stream
isn't working correctly.
nor develop software professionally, but I do wish to.
Torrent
If there are any CEOs or startup
Let's put
founders
that-
in the chat
let's remove
looking to
the first
hire
test thing.
us, we would be
Use,
very grateful.
What's that? Tracing. Subscriber.
Trace
This
handshake.
thing, take this. Torrent.
Received 68 bytes from peer.
Okay, so this just doesn't work.
Successfully.
Oh, wait, still running?
Oh, is it? Is it really
no,
just that
no.
flaky?
No, it's just not working at all.
Okay.
Test torrent actor.
Here, can you just
Okay.
just send me the log?
It's hard to send. Okay, so okay. I'm trying to because it's just a bunch of checks. Because I remember I run a check for connected peers every 100 milliseconds, and we're parsing
Safo.
unwrapped handshake six.
Safo.
I can't. There's too much bloat in these logs. I can't really. Okay, I'll try.
Just put it in
I'll
paste bin.
I'll pipe it. Let's see.
Google makes websites for
Save.
Oh yeah, that would do it. Yeah, that's like I said, I'm 18, so it is slightly different, but yeah, no, that is the same kind of problem that I've run into over the past few years with doing this.
Received handshake. And so we're getting unwrapped handshake successfully.
Mm.
I'm pretty sure I piped it to outlog. So should go to the out.log file. It's gonna be a little bit hard to read. But
Okay. Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Oh, that's horrible. Oh.
So we're getting an unwrapped. So the error that we're getting is failed to unwrap. So we're getting connection refuse errors. Those are fine. That just means the peer isn't allowing us to connect.
Mm-hmm.
Then we're getting no route or host. That means that's fine. So these are all normal errors. No route or host and connection refuse. That just means the peer won't connect to us for whatever reason at all.
Yeah.
It's normal errors. And then I see we're getting connection reset by peer.
That should be
reset message. No route or host.
Reese.
Early Unexpected early EOF.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh.
But I
Oh.
swear I just saw something about
This is
um
it's legally nice.
I just saw something. We're getting a lot of EOF, so I just saw something about an unwrap on something that doesn't exist.
Huh?
And it was referencing back to the ID thing.
Wait, the peer ID?
Yeah. Like it was referenced like we did like oh yeah, we did ID.unwrap and for some reason this was none. Like in line 132 of torrent mod arrest, this was none for some reason. So unwrap failed.
Oh, okay, that's weird. Wait, let ID equals. Oh, oh, that's why that was there. Hold on. Let ID. Wait, no, no, no. Never mind, never mind. Ignore me, ignore me.
Oh, yeah, because you assign it down here.
Oh, okay.
That's where I signed it. Yeah. Because I didn't want to. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so this can be. Hold on. That should be removed, I think. I'm not. Huh, but where else would we be assigning that then?
Well, I scroll down. It's like 2 lines below. That's where it was.
No, I know, but where do we get. Am I going crazy?
Wait, what? Okay, wait.
Where's ID defined? Hold on.
ID.
It's defined.
Wait, what? Wait, no. The ID should be. We should be like ID equals.
This is so
Peer
undeniably
ID.
scuffed.
No. So what we should be doing is have peer ID here, and then put some.
Some call it legal logic,
like this.
smart. Yeah, I
That
have to agree when it comes to tax evasion.
Assign it there.
I do agree.
Then that should assign the ID so we don't fail in the unwrap. And now, I run this.
This is wildly confusing code. I'm not gonna lie.
Works. It passed.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Does everything pass?
Let me run everything again. In the past though.
Yay.
Also, just for reference, it's kind of funny how our test like low-key DDoS all the trackers.
I know. Yeah. I
There is a way that we can make our tests better. We can have the action run a Docker image that will host its own tracker with Aquatic.
We could do that.
We can have WebSocket trackers and we could have WebSocket trackers. We could have a UDP tracker and an HTTP tracker. We can create test torrents, and that probably is what we should do moving forward once we make the library stable, so we don't DDoS the trackers for all of these things and create a bunch of fake peers. Because what we're doing is kind of bad for the swarm health.
I mean,
getting a bunch of fake peers.
It is, but like, it should be fine though. Like we're not doing that. Like we're not sending that many requests. I mean, at some point, yes, just to make it work consistently, yeah. But oh, I'm getting paid 20 or 30, I think. Nice, that's good. Save that money, invest it. Okay, so if that works, do you wanna commit it?
Definitely, yes.
Oh, and delete out.log.
Yep.
Or I can. Yeah. Yes. Thank you.
Gonna leave that commit message to you.
Oh boy, the pressure's on. Oh boy. Yeah. Okay, so I guess that's a refactor. Modify. Wait, hold on. I can seriously just like commit, or I just copy the other commit. Remove. Hold on. Wrong button. Receive handshake shakes. Contradictory code. update any related code as well. Update any related code as well, and document related code plus documentation. There. Add commit. Your mic is so low and calming. Oh, thanks. Yeah, I don't know what it is about this mic. It's really a hit or miss. It's how I'm talking, like how much water I've drank, like where the mic is. Like
Yeah.
like sometimes it is really really good, and sometimes it's like worse than my webcam mic. Yeah.
Inconsistencies.
Yeah, seriously.
We use like $400 mic.
You, this mic was like 60. No, just water, But like,
Yeah.
I haven't drinking water in like an hour, but talking for an hour, so my voice gets a little bit like more gravelly, not gravelly, but like
Raspy.
Yeah, I mean,
Okay.
yes, raspy. Okay.
So
So
that's good.
let me look at my little to-do list.
Oh yeah, we need to do Clippy errors. So cargo Clippy.
Oh, I also want to
Takes
change the receive handshake function to be RECV handshake instead of spelling out receive, since we don't really do that anywhere else. It's always RECV instead of receive.
Okay, yeah, we can do that.
What's here?
Let me finish committing all these Clippy error fixes.
Yeah.
Cargo check, and then okay. So the only Clippy error we have is in StreamRS, and it's just us not using this function anymore.
Yeah, that's fine. Any tips on coding?
Which is fine.
Let me think.
Just delete that.
Consistency is better than a 12-hour day. It's better to do this for like an hour. Hold on. It's better to code like every 1 hour a day, every weekday for, let's say, 6 months, than it is to do 10 12-hour days and then take a 2-week-long break. Consistency is key. That's my 10 cents at least. Okay. Change day, update all uses, and then if you got that committed, the last thing. Hold on.
Yep.
My alarm is. Yeah. If you want to change the name of that.
I think the keybind for is GRA in Vim. You want to try that?
Actually, is Vim. Wait. Is it? Wait.
GRA.
No, wait, no. Now I'm thinking, does Vim have
a built-in LSP renamer?
That's what I thought. I thought it didn't. Okay, I guess it does. Hold on, I have to turn the cat cam back on because I turned it off in accident. Can you do that?
Yeah, I got you.
There we go. Okay.
Friend fogging. What's a function? Oh, receive.
So it's very easy and then it's jump into the deep end. Yeah. I think you could put it that way. I think that's a fair way to put it. Don't set any extremely high expectations. Coding is a lot of mental work, and I don't code for more than 5 hours a day normally. And that's on a busy day. A lot of what I spend my time on is, well, it's stuff like we started the stream with, like spending 30 or 40 minutes talking about what we want to do next, or even just literally just thinking about it and documenting and playing that out. Ease into it, then easing into it is better than jumping into the deep end.
I think we should be good.
He's here with me right now. Lowbrow. There we go. Right back. moves around a lot. Okay. Did you? I was petting my cat and talking in chat. I was like not doing anything productive and useful.
Okay. I did it already. I renamed everything.
Okay, cool.
Fix all could be errors. It should be good to push and PR and merge.
Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, let me cross these things off. So, yep, and then
Pushed.
okay. I'll
get upside of that.
What?
You want to handle the get upside of that?
Like, yeah, I got that.
If you and stuff.
Yeah, if you want to look into making the next issue, in the engine milestone, that'd be great.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you planning on doing next? I think
you're the smarter
I think
one
we
here.
should create.
You can decide. That.
I think we should create we should start implementing the baseline syntax for the engine, like we did it in the mouse. And we put like the baseline syntax that we're gonna use. I think we should start implementing what we can of that.
Yeah, that seems fine. Okay.
Well, actually, we can't do all of it, so I think we should go one piece at a time, one function at a time, because there is some things that in the syntax of or the API, that's the better word for it, the API for the engine.
Yeah,
that we can't just implement
right away.
That. Yeah. Well, okay. Hold on. Let me check the milestone again.
Yeah.
Okay. So things like because we have a way to set the output stream for a file. I mean for torrent. There just needs to be a way to demux that.
Yeah.
Second of all, yeah. So the output stream for is going to have to be its own separate PR. We can't implement that currently. That's just not going to work.
Okay.
Right now.
Okay.
Second of all, we can't torrents. The torrents gives a hash map of all added torrents. We can't really return that. Well, because everything that the torrent struct is using and is private. Like it's only pub crate, so we can't really give them a list of torrents currently.
Yeah.
Right now, so that would be a separate PR to make torrents not pub crates.
Okay.
And that's something different.
Yeah.
At torrent, we can add pretty much immediately. Set output stream for. We can't do that. Set max peers. That is like.
That's gonna
that. These are like settings. That we can have.
Yeah, I think.
Which we cannot implement yet, so that would be more of a settings PR.
Seifu, any tips on getting a coding buddy?
Bro, I struggle to find one myself. It's fine. You just have to happen sense upon one.
Yeah. I mean, you can definitely like.
I met him from finding his Discord from YouTube videos. So.
Yeah. I mean, you can. I don't recommend like going to a Discord server and asking for someone to like work with you on a project, because you'll probably get
that never goes.
No,
yeah, it never goes well.
No, it doesn't. If you really if you really want to, there are developer groups out there that literally just make software, and you can join. Yeah, you could look into join one of those,
or you can start with contributing to open source. That's probably like one of the easiest ways to find people, because then people will want to talk to you and be interested in your work, and you can probably join a dev team. And that's kind of a way to make buddies. Or you can go to in-person events. Yeah. And if you live in an area that's plausible, where you can like go to in-person coding events and stuff, you can meet a lot of people there.
Yeah.
That's my take on it.
No. That about sums it up. Tortillas. This is part of the engine implementation milestone, isn't it? Let me see. Yeah, it is. That's fine. Engine implementation. This will just create a pull request that's right for you. That's definitely the idea, because Seifu found me from like one YouTube video I had that like absolutely blew up.
I was here way before that.
Where were you?
Yeah, bro.
Hold on, hold
I
on.
friended you from like one of your first videos.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on. You were definitely here before it blew up, but hold on. Let me like find.
No, I remember when you were making your NeoVim setup. I mean, your productive Linux setup video.
That was the one video that blew up.
I know. I was here before that.
Huh?
The first video of yours that I watched was your how I take notes with NeoVim as a high school student.
Are you
because
sure?
yes, that's when I friended you. Yes.
Let me see.
I was here way before that. I remember you making that video.
February 6th, 2025. So
Yes.
when did I? Hold on. I don't want to show my YouTube stuff. I don't. I think YouTube doesn't like you showing their like your statistics. I forget. I don't want to make the YouTube CEOs angry.
The reason why I want to reach out is because I was taking honors algebra at the time. Yeah, I was taking honors algebra.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was like, oh yeah, I could use this. Oh wait, it seems like I know how to code. That's crazy.
Yeah.
He's high school student. That's crazy.
That is that is something else that comes to mind. You kind of have to find people that are on your level, whatever your level is, and whatever you want it to be. Like not to like humble brag or something, but like we spend a lot of time doing this.
Yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't, again, not to humble brag, but like we do this every day for a large portion of our day. That doesn't have to be your coding buddy. You and your coding buddy could be, we're going to do this for like 30 minutes a day, and that's all we want to do, and that's also totally fine. But just have that reasonable expectation, because somebody here decided to take a 2-week break from tortillas.
What?
Somebody here.
Okay. In my defense, I was working on my dot files in a separate project.
What the heck is this browser theme? No, I know it's atrocious, but like it's the only way that it doesn't hurt my eyes, because like I don't like a dark
It's
theme.
really bad. I've just gotten used to it. At this point, like seeing it on a screen, it's really, really bad.
But
why don't just have like a normal dark theme?
No, but like I don't like having a normal dark theme. Hold on, let me extensions and themes.
It's so bad.
No,
I
like
can't even see the bookmarks.
Like
why is it pink, Oscar?
What? Huh?
So bad, Oscar.
It's not pink. Are you colorblind?
But the text color is pink.
No, it's not. What? No.
No, he's colorblind. Oh, he's colorblind.
No. Oh, this. Yes. This
Yes.
is. Okay.
Yes.
I was gonna say. Okay. Anyways. Okay. So. Oh yeah. Did I not? I swear I pressed open. I swear I pressed create pull request. I'm just okay. I'm actually going crazy. Here, create pull request. Let me let
Code Rabbit.
Yeah, Code Rabbit yell at me and nitpick and say, you have to change this because I said so, because Jeff Bezos owns OpenAI, and Jeff Bezos wants ChatGPT in every single device. I have some pets.
Saying, Jeff Bezos also kind of Jeff Bezos is Amazon, right?
Yeah.
Okay, never mind.
See you later, anonymous golf cue.
Mark Zuckerberg, this guy.
Oh yeah.
All these guys mush together.
Yeah. Yes. Dude, I get big tech CEOs confused all the time. Like
they all mush together.
They do. Like they really do. Okay, let me
Yeah, anonymous 12Q. Okay. Let Code Rabbit yell at us. Now we have to figure out how we're gonna go one piece at a time at implementing the torrent syntax or the API.
Yeah.
The engine.
Cicada. Oh, I didn't realize that was the same person. Oh, okay, that makes sense now.
Yeah.
My bad. Okay. Yeah, my bad. I was gonna say.
We'll see you, Caden.
See ya. Yeah, if you want to start opening issues for that, and just organize that however you like, because that's kind of your brainchild, not mine. I'm probably gonna finish up tonight with getting this PR merged. I'm just waiting for Cody Rabbit to finish berating me.
Alright. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get off too after I finish making these issues. I have stuff to do.
You definitely gotta go play OSU, aren't you? You definitely are.
Yeah.
Shameless.
Yep. I have tournaments to practice for.
You what?
I have tournaments to practice for.
Oh, right. Do you have like a tournament like every single weekend?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I'm in 2, and I somehow qualified for the last one I threw yesterday. That I was really mad about.
No way.
I qualified. I don't know how, but it's fine.
That's actually crazy.
It's because out of the 140 teams that signed up, only 30 of them actually played.
Oh, seriously?
Oh.
Damn.
Yeah, so like no one like decided to play, so
yeah,
whatever.
Yeah.
I qualified, so I'm happy. Even though I threw. It was fine. So new issue should be. So do we already have a way to do this? So correct me if I'm wrong, because I don't. Correct me if I'm wrong. We don't have the add torrent function. Correct?
We don't have the add torrent function. We have the message.
We have the functionality. We have the functionality though.
Yeah. Let me double check that and clarify. But yeah, yeah, because we have the message, but not the functionality to actually do that. Which might have been a mistake.
No, we should have the functionality. I think so.
No. Sorry. Yes, we have the functionality. We don't have the we don't have a way to get that message there, unless I'm going crazy, which I probably am. So I take back everything I just said.
So yeah, so we have meta. So yeah, we just take in meta info.
Yeah.
We just box meta info, and then we do all this stuff. Okay, yeah. So we have the functionality. So all we would have to do is just literally since the message takes in a string, or since it takes in a string, then we can just get the meta info from there, and send a message like this, and it should just be fine. That function doesn't even need to be async. Oh no, it does. It does.
No, it does. Yeah.
File system operations.
Yeah. Okay, wait, hold on. So how are we getting to the torrent message? How do we send this message to the engine? Like what is the syntax like for that?
We literally would just go
because I forget.
Wait, we would need to store the ref. Yeah, okay. To do that, we need to store our own actor ref in self.
Huh? We do that already, don't we? For engine?
Do we?
Yeah. We
have, yeah, we do.
Yeah,
okay. If we do, then we just go self dot actorref dot l, and then just do engine message. And then we just put torrent, and then just put the meta info in there.
No, but I mean, that's. Oh, right. Sorry. Okay. I was gonna say that doesn't work. What are you talking about? But if we do that, then we could just do that outside of the engine as well, can't we? Because we'll have the actor ref when we spawn the engine.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, because this is. Because you're supposed to create the engine instance before you even start penning torrent, so it can start up like the HTTP servers and everything like that. So
yeah,
add a torrent should not create a new torrent instance. It should be ran on an already existing torrent instance.
Yeah. Okay. That seems fine then. Okay. Yeah. Oh my god, how long is Code Rabbit gonna take? Oh my god.
Normally it takes like 5 or 6 minutes.
Oh,
but...
seriously? Okay.
Yeah. But this PR is really small, so it shouldn't be that long. Faster. If it does bring up anything, I can probably fix it either tonight or tomorrow, or you can fix it in the morning.
No, it's fine. I'll wait to do it. It's not a big deal. I will be on tomorrow morning as well. It's just Well, yeah, because my college stuff starts Wednesday, and I still don't even know what I need to go to. Um,
Yeah, I get
so
that schedule, man.
no.
I do have
Go ahead, go
I
ahead.
do have my schedule now, so I can probably plan out our streams. And you
Yeah.
get yours,
Yeah.
so we can have like a set schedule.
Yeah. No,
See how that goes.
that's what I would like to do.
Yeah.
So generally speaking, like Wednesday, Friday would generally be good for me. 'Cause
Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Let me check my school schedule real quick.
don't
See if that will.
don't act like you're
What?
busy. Don't.
No, I actually have to. No, I actually have to walk in, dude. It's bad. No, it's like bad, bro.
You're taking
No,
8
because
classes. You're taking 8 classes.
I'm taking 8 classes, dude. It's cooked.
Oh my god,
No,
dude.
like because they changed my school completely in the way it's functioned, and now like participation like matters a lot more than it did before.
Yeah.
Like normally I would just skip class. If I'm being so real, not go to class.
I
But
know.
now like I kind of have to, so.
Womp. Yeah.
Let me see.
Wait. So, wait, you have 8 classes every day, or are some of them async?
Some of them, well, I don't have them every day. Some of them, I have like, let me see. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 periods.
Mm.
Monday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 periods on Tuesday. 1, 2, 3, 4 periods on
Oh
Wednesday.
my god.
6 periods on Thursday, and
You're
3
cooked.
periods on Friday.
You're cooked.
So Monday is my largest day.
Okay.
Or-
Yeah, you're cooked. Hold on there. I did get a few. Wait, re-exact and send. Oh, right. This should be. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. How did I jump? No, it's fine. I just like majorly fat fingered my keyboard. I should be able to do that, right? Yeah.
I said Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I'm going to be filled to the brim normally on Mondays. I'm probably gonna be like really busy, but I can try to squeeze in a stream. I might be a bit late. Try
Okay.
to squeeze in.
Okay.
Wednesdays and Fridays, I should like 100% be there.
Yeah. Again, like I'm obviously we'll hold on, implemented with question mark instead of map.
In Saturdays and Sundays, it should be free for the next like depending on how this tournament goes for the next like month or so.
Yeah.
I might be a little bit busy on weekends, but
Yeah.
depending on how the tournament goes, that could just like end randomly. Like, so I don't really know.
Yeah.
So I should be able to stream on weekends too, but
Yeah.
again, I might be busy depending on the tournament if I lose or not. So
Okay.
we can probably plan around that.
Yeah, no, that's fine. It's like absolutely
7 periods on Mondays, bro.
dude, 7 is actually insane. Oh, I gotta stop going to my knee of him. No, 7 is like genuinely insane. Like, yeah. Dude, good luck.
And I like have to. Normally I would just dip them. I have to go to Leeds, so like.
Oh my god, dude. Oh, wrong button again. Yeah, you're cooked. We get it, buddy. We get it. Did not return the correct error type. It doesn't. Okay. So I guess I could. What would it be correct error? No, I mean, I don't see. Hold on. Let me look at the error type. I mean, I guess it's not bad to do, but like.
Let me check.
Hold on. I'm looking.
This is Code Arabic being weird again.
No, there's something I don't like 100 million% agree with. There's also like, hold on, because like we can just .expect when we unwrap the handshake, right? Like that's not incorrect to do. Like we don't have to map the error there.
Well, it would panic. That's the thing.
Yeah, but like.
Panic will program.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so it probably actually would be better to do map error here. Okay.
I'm pretty sure handshake already returned a pure actor error. Actually,
it doesn't.
I think it doesn't really.
No. Unfortunately. which makes sense. Well, kind of. No.
Pretty sure it would be an invalid handshake.
Oh, right. Invalid. Oh, that's not an option. Let me add that.
Wait, you sure? Really?
Yeah.
Should be.
For peer actor? No.
Oh, handshake failed.
Oh,
There.
okay.
That would be. That would work.
Okay, cool. So.
And then.
Dear
What
Lord,
is
what
this?
do we do here? Okay, let me see what this. So we gotta wait that, and we go on Twitch. The feeling when you go on Twitch and a sleeping cat is better at programming than your life in 2025. Yeah, you know he's been learning Rust a lot recently. He's been getting really good at it. Yeah. He's normally a low level programmer.
Did you delete the file error?
No.
Why'd you
What?
create a?
Oh, did I?
Create
What? Oh, my bad.
What did you-
No, wait, it's fine. I dragged it on accident. I'm getting tired. Okay, I'm getting tired.
Also, E is actually a string here, so we can probably just do this.
Does
Be
it?
like dot into.
Let's see.
'Cause E is
it's
actually
not
a
working.
string.
Expected value found struct variant.
Oh,
What?
reason. Oh, we just do.
Should be
because-
any? Oh, doesn't want that.
Uh,
It doesn't want. Oh. Okay.
there you go. Okay. Yeah. So E is a string here because we provided like instead of providing like an error type for handshake, we just give it a string.
Yeah.
The reason.
Yeah.
So that should be. Yeah. So that should be fine.
Okay.
I don't think we need the logging here, to be honest.
Let me see. I mean,
It'll just make it shorter because it
Yeah.
will panic anyway.
no. Okay.
It'll
yeah.
start it back up.
Yeah, but like, it is also a trace, so.
Well,
I mean,
no, it was a full error log. This would send this back up, and
okay.
it will have the reason with it too. So it should
Okay.
be fine.
Okay.
It will just make this whole function fail.
Yeah. All right.
Which
All right.
is-
That seems fine. So what are we working on? We are working on a torrenting library in Rust called tortillas.
Tortillas, specifically this sector.
Yes. Because there's lib tortillas, and then we want to make a TUI with this library called tortillas. Okay. Why does it want me to? Oh, I guess it wants me to do that. Actually, that is genuinely probably a good idea. Yeah, I know it's a personal skill issue, but I really don't like how much I'm turning off my brain with CodeRabbit. I do not like it.
You wouldn't have seen these things. You
No.
just wouldn't.
I know, but like I feel like I should be getting better at seeing these things, and I'm not gonna do that with CodeRabbit. Or I'm just to change the way that I'm like learning. Which is
It's kind of well. What's the difference between this and someone else or like me going in and showing you that these things are wrong?
no that is fair. What crate are
'Cause
you?
you just would you just.
Okay. No,
is
go
it
ahead.
UI?
Ratatouille.
What crate are we gonna be using? Ratatouille. Yeah, we're gonna be using Ratatouille once we get to that section of the project. But right
Yeah.
now, we are far off from that.
You're so
Well,
far
actually,
off.
no, we're not too far. We're not too far off.
No. Like, we have all of the logic for torrenting made, but we've never. This is our first time doing concurrent and asynchronous stuff, at least at this scale. I don't know if you've done anything before, Seifu, but so
Definitely not
we've-
the scale.
yeah, we've refactored this library like 3 times now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see, is that implemented? I should need to think
You're
about-
open to. If you have alternatives to Ratatouille, though, that might be better.
Yeah, although I think Ratatouille is like pretty cracked, generally speaking.
Yeah, pretty. Sounds like the bog standard for us
Yeah.
TUIs.
Implemented, and then
I think
that's
Helix is
fine.
written in Ratatouille, which is like the NeoVim
Oh,
uh,
seriously?
alternatives.
So
Yeah, it'll
it
be a
will
terminal UI.
Resolve. Okay. Here you wanna. Here, let me add this and push it. This is just a. This is just a refactor update code, or not. Oh my God. Whew. Okay. Definitely getting tired. Okay.
Yep.
Refactor. implement some changes suggested by code rabbit. Beautiful. Commit. Okay. If you want to push that, so I can
take a look at the project. Here it is. Sorry. See. Shameless plug. Shameless plug. Shameless.
He truly is shameless. Okay.
Shameless plug.
Yeah, we know, buddy. Can you push?
Yep.
Thank you.
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and merge this once once all test pass and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we merge
I'll
that.
chat for a bit.
Yeah.
Um,
Was it? I was gonna do something for you.
you're gonna go straight to sleep after you're done, or
I
what are you
mean,
gonna do?
are you asking if I want to play Valorant? Please say no.
No, I do not have time for that.
Oh, thank God, thank God. No, I
You played too much today.
No, yeah, no, because if I play Valorant, I'll basically like, I will never fall asleep. Like I will be up until 2 in the morning if I play Valorant. Like I really need to like start relaxing.
Here comes the party. You should run. That's all you can hear.
Dude, literally, dude. Some nights, man. Some nights.
I am the hunter.
Some nights, dude.
You're dead.
Dude, you play way too much Valorant.
I have like 1,400 hours.
Holy crap! That's insane.
If not more. It probably is more if I'm being honest.
I have like 2,600 Hypixel Skyblock, but I'm not flexing that, am I?
Okay, how long's that game been out?
For like 5 years maybe. But okay, so
Really?
no, look.
Really?
Here, no, look. Here's the bad thing. I've never played Skyblock like consistently. It's always been on and off. So I'm 99% sure I put like 2,000 hours in like a single year. Like, dude, look. That was a very low point. That was a low point in my life. Okay.
Jeez.
Oh my God, dude.
So
my
I want to show you something.
yeah, sure. My dream is to retire and play Hypixel Skyblock. That's my dream. Go ahead.
Oh, this is horrible. Never mind.
Okay.
I'm looking for something that I found. Okay, here it is. So how do you feel about this documentation that's automatically generated from GitHub, the GitHub wiki page on this in development?
Where are you sending this? Oh.
In development.
That was the wrong channel for that. Okay.
My bad. You're right.
Okay,
How do you
wait.
feel about this?
Is the entire like wiki page generated from GitHub? Wait.
Everything well, the homepage is not, but the entire documentation, like the get started, is completely generated from the GitHub wiki page.
Oh. Okay. Yeah. No, I could do this. There's one.
It doesn't work currently because they broke it, but originally it worked.
Okay.
And it was pretty nice.
No, that's fine. Are they just using like some? I mean, I guess you could just either just.
They're just using Markdown.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Just raw Markdown.
No. I mean, I was gonna say like, how are they getting it from GitHub? Is there an API endpoint for that?
You can just no, they just download it and build it with Astro. It's pretty simple.
Oh.
Like it's ran on commit. It's a pretty easy process.
I mean, yeah, but
to be honest.
I feel like they could do that. Like, okay, there has to be some either API or like web scraping we can do for like to make that a lot easier and simpler.
Well, what do you mean on request web scrape? How do we web scrape on request?
Not on request, but like just like daily.
At build?
Weekly.
No, it wouldn't be. It would be no. Basically, we redeploy the website on push, basically.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that seems overly complicated for now. I mean, I
No,
like
it's
the
not that hard to
idea.
do. I know how to do that. I know how to do that.
Is it-
Web developer.
You're gonna say this. You're gonna say this, and then It's gonna.
Whoa,
It's gonna
it's
take.
so Vercel.
It's gonna take the
Hello?
next week, dude. I swear on my life.
No, I'm not. No, we don't even have wiki to post right now. So
I
no,
know.
won't
I
give us
know. I
anywhere
know.
near.
Okay. Good. 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 Just yeah. I at some point totally, but you know. Okay. Is Clear Rabbit finally done? Oh my God! It cannot be as hard, dude. I mean.
Oh, there's more.
I know. I know.
There's more.
Yeah.
He wants to go to sleep so bad.
So close. So close, yet so far.
Unfortunate.
I know. Like extremely unfortunate, ain't it? Okay.
Let me look at all my stars. There was a better one that uses MDX, I believe.
Huh?
MDX. You don't know what MDX is?
MDX.
Oh, it's Cameo. Cameo. That's one. Their doc page. Their doc page uses MDX.
Oh, okay. This is. Oh my God! Can you literally write it in? Oh my God, that's cool, dude. That's awesome.
Yeah, MDX is it's basically you can put React code in Markdown.
That's actually so clutch. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Dude, that's so
basically
nice.
the industry standard for writing clean and concise documentation.
Yeah, I was gonna say, how did I not know about this earlier? This is awesome. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, that's sweet. That's like actually so nice. MDX performance. Why? No. Okay. Look. I know that cars have nothing to do with the stream, but there is no such thing as a goddamn performance SUV. If you ever see this, it's a damn lie. No. Performance SUV for $51,000. Dude. There is no such thing.
Go from
as a
cars
performance.
to. How do we go from MDX to cars?
Because there's a car called the MDX apparently, and seeing MDX premium performance SUV makes me a little bit frustrated. 19 city, what kind of dude? That's awful. That's awful. My dad's 30-year-old truck gets better mileage than that. Like what the hell, dude?
Or nerd.
The car industry is so cooked. Oh. We also need to take out this comment. I forgot about that.
Oh, yeah.
Or then
So,
also. What now?
Oh yeah, I was gonna say you know what the Cameo docs look like, right?
Yeah.
So they're built completely with MDX. They don't really have anything crazy,
Yeah.
but it allows a lot of flexibility.
No, I do like it. Yeah, I think it's nice. Performance is nice and fluffy. Technically, every engine has performance. Okay, but like, are you ever going to like whip an SUV through a corner? No, because it's a big 5,000-pound boat. See, that's the problem I have with the term performance. I mean, you can put.
Hey, let's use nicer terms here.
What did I say?
Let's use nicer terms.
What?
Call the car a boat.
The car is. Dude,
the car might be sensitive about its weight. You don't need to call it 5,000 pounds. Sometimes when turning angles, it could be a bit slow, but that's not its fault, okay? Like, you don't need to use this derogatory language when referring to it. It might be insecure about it.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Might want to be like
the
this,
fat SUV, the bloated SUV.
We're doubling down.
Yes, we're doubling down. Okay. Look,
He's not being inclusive, chat.
people are not gonna watch the stream if I just talk about my anger towards performance SUVs. So we gotta get back to the topic at hand, which is banning the term performance SUV in the U.S. Okay. There's other comment. Drop. Hold on. Oh, yeah, the drop should kill the beer. All cars are beautiful. Don't SUV shame.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay. I guess we're just gonna recommit this, and then as long as Code Rapid doesn't yell at me here, yeah, no, it's fine. So, I will just commit this as docs.
Yep.
And docs removed unneeded comments. Commit. Oh wait. Oh no, it's fine. It's fine. I got it. It's fine. We're good. Can you push?
Already pushed.
Oh, thank you.
Push like the moment you committed.
I'm just gonna merge and yeah, cause it all works. Merge pull request, send handshake, receive handshake. Yeah.
Did you watch the video on squashing commits?
No, absolutely not.
And that's Oscar. Give you one job.
Is code grab any good? Somehow I saw all the ads for it and couldn't muster the will to even try it. Okay, I have my opinions on AI based technologies. I don't think code grab is the worst thing in the world. It's great for like little like nitpicks. Like here, here let me see. Like oh wait, no, I don't want to go to that file. I just want to open the resolves. So like let me find something smaller than that. Here, like this. Like I unwrapped this instead of mapping the error and tracing it. So, like, it's not that big of a deal, but this is definitely the right way to do it. So, it catches nice little things like that you kind of just don't think about in the moment. I'm still not a big fan of it though, so
I'm making music stuff though, so because sometimes it has pointed out like big flaws in my logic that I've noticed,
and then sometimes
and
really good.
Yeah, it does hallucinate sometimes, but
and tweak sometimes, but catching code smells and files will be completely useless. Yeah, no, that's in my experience at least. I never rely on this for anything past little logic errors like this, and even then, I think I mentioned like 20 minutes ago.
It really like comments on bigger things, does it?
It tries to sometimes. It tries to.
True.
But no, like I don't. Like I do my very best to just never rely on this or really any other AI service for like big things. But just like little nitpicks and refactors, it is nice for just scanning over. Yeah.
Definitely, yeah.
Okay, let me actually merge this. Oh, merged. Okay, the issue should also be closed, right? Hopefully.
Did you make sure to link it? Or...
Yeah, I did. Yeah. Wait. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, we're good. Okay. Okay. With that being said, I need to go to bed. So thank you for watching, but I need to sleep and get my sleep schedule back on track before college starts. So thanks for watching.
I will be back tomorrow.
Yeah, hopefully that. Oh, maybe not tomorrow. Tuesday.
Oh.
I'm out until 9. I got practice.
Unfortunately.
And I'm coaching. Yeah. Okay. So thanks for watching.
Really, just server for updates.
Yeah. Thanks. Yep. Shameless plug again. Okay. Peace.